Wow, look at this place. This is Italy, folks. I just finished an absolutely delectable lunch and a beautiful pepperoni pizza, or pizza di avioli as they call it. With a beautiful dessert, some drinks, not at all expensive, just fantastic. The best desserts I've eaten ever, in my opinion, are here in Italy. I mean, just look at this street. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, this street looks like, you know, if you had to describe Italy in one street, this would be it, right? Wouldn't it? Wow, so cool. I love the cobblestone streets too. Wow. Unfortunately, there's some graffiti, but you know, hey, again, it gives Italy its character. Look at that. So cool. That door is awesome. Anyway, I'm on my way to the Pantheon. My last trip, or I should say, my last organized trip here. I fly out at 8, so I got to get to the airport at 6, or, you know, a little bit after. It's okay. It's only, well, it's not too big of an airport. And I hope to visit the Trevi Fountain on the way to the train station before I pick up the train to go to the Ciampino airport. I'm going to a different airport than I came in on. Wow, this is beautiful too. San Salvador. Wow. That's a gorgeous place. Look at that. Man. Wow, look at that street. Incredible. Okay, I'm gonna obviously keep walking to the Pantheon, and that's something I'm really looking forward to. An engineering marvel. It's one of the original buildings that's been standing for, well, 2,000 years. It's all concrete, that special concrete that is super durable. It's an engineering marvel in many respects. Not just the dome, of course, and the oculus, but the concrete to use to build it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the Pantheon. Wow, look at this street. Isn't it just amazing? Pasta alla carbonara. Avocado toast, hamburger, C&B, whatever that is. Wow. Man, amazing. So wonderful. Magnifico. Okay. Off to the Pantheon. See you later.